Welcome. If you've ever searched for ideas, inspiration, or DIY projects on Pinterest, you know how quickly your search history can fill up. Whether you want to tidy things up, keep your searches private, or just start fresh, managing and clearing your Pinterest search history is simple. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the quick steps to view and clear your recent searches right from the Pinterest app. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see a row of icons. Tap on the magnifying glass icon. This is your search tab. Once you're on the search page, look to the very top where you'll find the search bar. Tap inside the search bar to activate it. Now, here's where you'll see your recent search history. Pinterest displays your most recent search terms just below the search bar, making it easy to revisit topics you've looked up before. If you want to remove a specific search from your history, simply find the search term you want to get rid of. Next to each term, there's a small X icon. Tap the X, and that search will instantly disappear from your history. This method is perfect if you want to remove just a few searches without clearing everything. It's quick, efficient, and keeps your Pinterest experience organized and clutter-free. If you're concerned about privacy or just want a fresh start, regularly clearing out old searches can help keep your account tidy and your recommendations more relevant. Remember, managing your search history is a great way to control what Pinterest suggests and ensure your feed stays tailored to your latest interests. Keeping your search history clean not only helps with privacy, but also makes it easier to find new inspiration without distractions from old searches. That's all it takes to manage and clear your Pinterest search history. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date tips on making the most of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!